Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Knowledge Base, and thank you always for keeping on my channel. And in this case, I'm going to show you something very easy, very simple, but where most people make mistakes. This happens on applying for the US visa for the second time, the third time, the fourth time. Most people always feel that they have to open up an account, a new fresh account, when they are building their US visa application once again. So in this case, I'm going to show you how simple, how easy that we can do it. So what we do, you go to your browser. Of course, you put in US visa, for example, US. Mine is already saved here because I've done this several occasions and several times. And guys, for this is for purposes, education for purposes, for education, please. For education purposes, for you to learn, and then you can be able to apply your US visa again. So in this case, we're going to show you how to do it without going through a lot of hassle. Remember, you had your previous application, you had all the applications that you had in that case. So you get here, you click here. Of course, the website here is www.uais.usvisa-info.com/en-ug.niv.users and .sign in. So this is a place where we're going to be applying for your visa again. So when you get this dashboard, of course, you go down here, you put in your password, you put in everything, and I'll be going straight to signing in because myself, I already have an account. So what you do, I already have an account, you're going to be signing in automatically with your account. So you do this, sign in. So when we sign in, we are getting to the dashboard. So the most important dashboard is this place, guys. Remember, at first, when you applied for your visa and went in to make your application, you're supposed, after filling out your DNS 160, and then you're supposed to go onto this and make an account, use an account or create an account. So what you do, you look at this current status, add applicants. Okay, you can add applicants, or you can choose a group. Let's say that you have a group of 5, 10 people, or 2 or 3, and you want to apply for people under you on a group. You can easily go in here and put in a group as well. If you look at the applicant, you click here, next, and then say add applicant. When you're adding applicant, this is where it takes you and say take action on this group of applicants. Okay, this does not mean the applicants. So what you do, you click in here, you add your applicant, and that applicant is a new person. So you're good to go, and you'll be able to start putting your details right here on the same page where you're going to make your booking from. So I hope you've learned, and I hope this gives you a clear information on how to do this with much more easier and everything that you need. So thank you so much, guys, and this is how best you can do this, and this is how best you can add. So you go in and put in all the details. After reaching down, you put in your email. After reaching email, then you also say where you previously issued a visa to Unity. You say yes or no or whatsoever, and then you say create applicant. That's how easy it is, and that's how easy you can go through this process with much more ease without even having to go through anything. So thank you so much, guys. If you have anything you want to know on the visa application for US visa, write in my comments, and I'll be able to answer to you with much more ease. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel as we keep giving you more information. Thank you, and have a great day.